vibes, and we are in Avengers campus at Disney's California Adventure for opening day. I can't. For 6 months to a year, we looked at that Quinjet through a little peephole in the gate, and it is right in front of us, and I'm just like,
classified information for me.
Intruders, step aside. I won't ask a second time. This is a fight you cannot win.
God, you guys, I'm so hyped right now. I literally am losing it. That was so cool. Oh my God.
Thanks for coming.
Oh my God. You're here with the Mouse Vibes, and we're at PYMS Test Kitchen inside of Avengers Campus at Disney California Adventure on opening day. We have every drink that you can get on the menu because that's how Mouse Vibes do it. So we're gonna try all of them and give you our vibe ratings. Let's know it. So this is the honey buzz, and it has a honey stick in it that's melting because it's 1,000 degrees.
Yeah, because I can taste it in my mouth. That's the same. So that means this is the honey buzz.
Yeah. Oh my God.
The honey one's the best. It's already.
Holy boo! 5 million vibe. Wow, that's refreshing.
It's called a bee's knees. Is my favorite gin
it's called the bee's knees.
Wow, that is
in regular.
good. Yes, and FYI, you guys, opening day. It's 11:45 a.m. and they've already ran out of all food and drink inside of Avengers Campus. So get your mobile ordering on early. I don't know how this is all gonna pan out moving forward. Obviously, it's opening day craziness, but
oh, my bag wasn't.
I'm going back for thirds.
My pin card in my bag.
Whoa.
Oh my God.
That tastes like.
Try it.
Oh, there really is a honey stick.
Yeah.
Oh, that is cool. Wow, right?
I don't like beer, and that's
You don't
awesome.
like beer, and that's delicious.
What?
Yeah, it tastes like honey.
It's good.
It's so good.
I don't like beer.
I don't know if I like that. 3 vibes.
Oh, what?
Okay, so
Yeah,
Nick is gonna write down what each drink is because I can't remember, but I just want to try them because it's melting.
Who is your daddy and what does he do?
This has boba in it. It tastes like a White Claw with boba, but they don't give you boba straws, which I feel is a fail. Like, how am I supposed to have the boba? You need boba straws. I'd give this 3 vibes. I wouldn't get this again.
Listen, that is boba. Or what that's so. Tastes like a warm White Claw. Right on
Yeah, it's gross.
1 vibe.
1 vibe. 1 vibe.
Can I have the other mouse vibes? Hold on. No. Make sure you zoom in my mouth. This does taste good though.
It's a Truly.
It's a Truly.
It's a truly.
Yeah.
It's a White Claw in the park. It is. It's a $16 White Claw with boba in it. Hold on.
Oh.
Yeah, that one's my favorite by far.
Right?
Which one's that? Which one's that?
I thought I was just gonna hit the boba.
Okay, let's try this one. So it has marshmallows in it and some sort of coffee concoction.
Ruined.
That is disgusting.
It tastes like a stout, like a milk stout beer. Foam is good. I do like the foam. I'm gonna go ahead and give that 2 vibes.
I would give that 2 vibes too, but the foam is really good, but that's not something I would want like in the heat. Like, it's not refreshing.
No, not at all.
Not at all.
This drink right here, we're gonna test it out one more
1, 2,
time.
3, 4, 5,
Because
6,
y'all,
8.
4.5 vibes. If you're a beer drinker, get this, 'cause it's delicious.
Yeah, if you like stouts, that's definitely your drink. I'm not much of a stout guy, especially on a hot day, so it's more for Andrew.
What is this one?
That's either the regulator or the experiment.
Can we just talk about these cups though? They're like beaker cups. Like,
Great theming for the test lab.
this is really good theming. Bye vibes. This is good. It's really sweet.
Yeah.
It has boba in it. Again, no boba straw. Fail, get boba straws. This is great. It tastes like a seltzer that has like lemonade seltzer in it as well. It's really good. Bye vibes. Bye vibes.
Oh,
Right?
that's the best one. Bye vibes. It's sour. It's got a nice hint to it. I love this.
Avenger Campus is so much fun. I cannot believe we got in. We were going live, guys. Let's get back into the vlog. Let's go have some fun, get on Guardians. We're gonna try to get on Web Slingers, do some shopping, and eat more food. One of the things that's kind of bizarre about what's happening here at Avengers Campus is they have absorbed Mission Breakout as part of it. So you cannot get on the ride unless you wait in that line.
One of the most interesting things I've found so far about Avengers Campus is if you are a Frozen fan, you know, the Hyperion behind us, well now it's a complete eating area. They literally redecorated it, so Frozen's probably not coming back. I'm sad.
That was an awesome dance-off, and you are all awesome dance offers. We totally rocked a thermosensor meltdown! Now we gotta get going. Thanks for the help, but before we go, we're gonna play one more song with you because you're all totally rock.
Yes, you all totally rock.
We are assembled right now at Avengers Campus. It looks like something's about to go on. Look at all these cast members behind me with headpieces. Something's about to pop off.
I'm so excited right now. I just want all the Avengers together so we can feel like we're in Endgame when they say assemble.
I literally am screaming at Captain America and Spider-Man like it's Justin Timberlake on tour. I can't get a grip. This is the best day of my life.
And another thing, being a film nerd, TV nerd, working in production, there's a guy over there with the headset on, guys, doing something. He's prepping something right now. Something's cooking.
Hello, recruits! Welcome to Avengers Campus! The world needs more heroes, so I thank you for heeding the call. I wanted to take this moment to introduce a new member to our team. Sam, come out and say hello to our new recruits. Looking good, Cap, looking good. You know, I think some friends want to join us, and I've always wanted to try this. Avengers, assemble!
He knows us space
He knows
bumps.
me because I've yelled 5 times. Oh my god, you guys, I'm the loudest person everywhere I go, and I'm like, yes, we love you! Pointed at me, and so did Black Panther. These socially distanced meet and greets, I hope they're here to stay. This is dope. I mean, like, right there, they're just walking, and then they have shows every like 20 to 30 minutes with like fire and smoke and all this. Like, it doesn't get better. This is so cool.
And one of the best characters here is Iron Man, which is the first time he's been a walk-around character since the Marvel parties. And this is awesome. I wonder if they're gonna keep the character meet and greet socially distanced, or once the pandemic or June 15th comes, they're actually on the ground, and I can give Iron Man a big hug.
Oh, you want to give him a hug.
He knows I love him 3000. And like we were saying earlier, guys, this is the first time that Iron Man has been a meet and greet character at DC that's not a Marvel party. He's here for good.
He's here for good, and Iron Man's my favorite, and I'm so excited.
This is another first for the Mouse Fives. We get the Wasp as a meet and greet here at Avengers Campus. First Iron Man, now the Wasp. This is amazing to have all these different character meet and greets. Some socially distanced, some really nice and close. The Wasp though, how awesome is that? Another great character meet and greet. You can see Captain Marvel right over here. And I'm glad they chose the original Captain Marvel look and not that mohawk.
Oh my god, I'm having the best time. I can't believe I just met Iron Man. Man, I knew I was an Avengers fan, but like when you're like here in the nitty gritty, like, oh my god, I just feel overjoyed. I'm so happy right now. This is truly the best day ever. I love the Avengers and I love Iron Man and oh.
Today is a special day. Seeing all the Avengers, all the characters out during a pandemic, it's incredible. I am so happy to be here. We got the whole squad.
We got the whole squad. And I gotta say, I'm getting a little bit emotional for my friend because we always make fun of each other. I love Galaxy's Edge and Star Wars, and we know Ashley loves Marvel. And I've been kind of a hater, but seeing her live her best life in this land today is making my heart smile. Ashley Marvel forever.
I'm gonna do my 85th pee-pee of the day and then we're gonna go see Spider-Man.
It's time for a little Spidey exercise. Hey everyone, it's good to see you. Hi, welcome to Avengers Campus. Watch this. Whoa, I can see a roller coaster from here. Cool. Hey, what's going on, guys? Oh, me? Well, you know, just spider stuff. Hey down there, you guys look like ants. Do I look like a spider? Time for some field testing. Hey, could you record it for me? Tag me later. There we go. Woo! Do not hold your applause. Ow! I'm okay. Thank goodness for those crates and nails. Hey Sharon, let's do an altitude test with the new improvements.
Great, Spider-Man.
Don't forget to tag me on your video. Hashtag Amazing Spider-Man.
Logging altitude test number 135.
I think you might be rounding up.
Based on previous tests, predicted rate of success, 14%.
Now you're rounding down, right? Okay, it's time to see what this suit can do. I hope it can do this. Here goes something. Okay, no pressure, but there are a lot of people watching. Clear the runway! Spider-Man is cleared for takeoff! Oh, wow! Oh no, this might hurt. Ow! I'm okay. The roof broke my fall. Has some bones, maybe. Okay, that stung a bit. Whew! Sharon, did you get that?
I got the data.
Kinda killed my vibe there. Hey, wait up! I'm just gonna jump down and meet you. Woo! Here we go. I'll be right down.
My gosh, it is 3:40. I'm eating my first meal of the whole day because we can't get food anywhere. And I'm going with the chicken shawarma. You gotta do the shawarma if you're here. You're like an Avengers, you got beat up all day, you finished with the shawarma. There's some awesome sauce. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna eat it. It smells like a yogurt sauce. All right, chicken shawarma. Looking good, actually. Nice and hot. Let's get a little bit of the sauce. You know you need all that sauce. Whoa!
Holy smoke, that's so good!
Oh my gosh. It's cooked perfectly. This is awesome. It's my new favorite Disney snack, 5 vibes.
True Ashley fashion. I had cocktails, now I'm gonna buy everything in the store. I
you
need
buying?
this bag. You can fit a tiny baby in this bag. So I don't
Close to a big baby?
Close to a big Let's do
But
it.
she's just gonna fit all the stuff she just bought.
So I'm gonna be gray girl and backpack girl. I don't know, what am I getting? I'm getting a Tony Stark sweater, getting Avengers opening day shirt, and then Nick's getting an Avengers opening day shirt as well.
Here's my credit card, let's go.
Hope you had the best time at opening day of Avengers Campus with the Mousewives. We ate, we drank, we saw Captain America.
Yeah, what's up?
We had the best time. We hope that you learned a little bit from our video and that this helped you for your future visit to Avengers Campus. Avengers Assemble!
Yeah, and make sure you're prepared when you come, all right?
If you're new here, please thumbs up this video. It really helps everyone find the channel and consider subscribing. And if not, thanks for stopping by.